Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to find the radius and the center of a circle given the equation x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y minus 11 is equals to 0. You know the simplest equation or the simplest format of getting the equation of a circle is given as x minus a square plus y minus b square, which is equals to r square. Then you know our r is the radius of the circle, and a and b are the coordinates of the center of the circle. Now back to our equation, we are going to group the like terms together. That is x square minus 6x plus y square plus 8y is equals to 11. We have moved 11 to the other side. Now to factorize, we are going to just complete the square. We are going to take the part with the values of x, we complete, and by doing so we are just taking x squared minus 6x, we add a constant, then the other part with the y, that is plus y squared plus 8y, we also add a constant in order to make it a perfect square, which is equals to now 11. Then we add the constants which you have got when doing the perfect squares. Now to complete these squares, we are just taking the part b of the equation in x, then we divide by 2 and the square. You see now we have negative 6 over 2. If we square, remember we have negative 3 square, we get 9. Then to the other part with y, part b we have 8, divide by 2, then we square. When we square 4, we are getting 16. So in our case, we are going to add 9 here, then 16. Then we do the same thing on the other side, that is we add the constants 9 and the 16. So we will be having x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 8y plus 16. If we add, I will be getting 36. Now we are going to factorize a perfect square, that is the values with x and the values with y. And to factorize a perfect square, we are just taking the square root of the first letter, which is x squared, and the square root of x squared is x, then followed by the sign which follows, that is negative sign. Then part c of the equation, which is 9, we find the square root, and the square root of 9 is 3. Then we square again to the part b with y. We are going to pick the square root of y squared, which is y, then followed by the next sign, that is plus, then part c of the equation, which is 16. The square root of 16 is 4. Square will be equivalent to 36. So you see now we have got the format we wanted. So in our case, we can see this is our r squared and this is a and a b. Now to get the center, we said a and b are the coordinates of the center. So in our case, the center now, the coordinates we have x as 3 and the y as negative 4. Remember, we had said it is negative 4 because when we say y minus b is equals to y plus 4, we just saying y minus 4, we get y plus 4. That's why we are talking about negative 4. Then the radius, now we know this 36 is our r squared. So our r, it will be the square root of 36. And we know the square root of 36 is 6. Thank you for following. Remember to subscribe to this channel and share.